Hi, I'm Angie. To get the best offer on your place, here are my tips. Give your home a deep clean and decluttering. This is all about first impressions. You only get the chance to make the best first impression once, and you don't want dirty floors and surfaces. Declutter. It's simple. If your property is full of declutter, prospective buyers will not be able to focus on the home itself. It will be distracted from what's important. Paint your walls. A fresh coat of paint on the walls will go a long way to making your property appear as fresh and new as possible to potential buyers. It's the best to stick with white, light gray, or beige. Think neutral colors. Check in with a handyman. If a property has many small fixes that need to be made, many prospective buyers will be turned off and simply move on to the next home. Rent a storage locker. Having a storage locker at the ready will allow you to quickly remove any undesirable items from your home that may prevent it from putting its best foot forward. Depersonalize. What do I mean by this? People want to imagine themselves and their family living there, not yours. Putting family photos and personalized items out of sight allows potential buyers to use their imagination and picture themselves living in the space. Give me a call. Let's create the perfect plan to sell your property.